The health minister has hinted that global financiers and bankers arriving in Hong Kong for a conference in November may be exempted from quarantine. Chung-mau also indicated the possibility of cutting hotel isolation after examining the data on an extra PCR test for arrivals. Joanna Ho reports.
Health Secretary Chung-mau told the South China Morning Post that global bankers attending a summit in Hong Kong later this year could possibly exempt quarantine if they fulfill certain conditions. The Monetary Authority is hosting the Global Financial Leaders Investment Summit on November 1st and 2nd for participants to explore investment opportunities in Hong Kong. Under Low's proposal, attendees may not be required to isolate themselves for 7 days in hotels. Instead, they may have to meet specific conditions such as doing PCR tests and undergoing medical surveillance with a yellow code on their Leave Home Safe app so that they don't go to places or do things that have a higher risk of infection. The health minister had earlier announced integrating a color-based health code system into the COVID app to stop infected people or those who are likely to contract the virus from entering certain premises. Low defended the controversial measure, saying it could pave the way for shorter hotel quarantine and enhance freedom of movement. But he would first examine the latest data on arrivals returning positive PCR test results on the third day of hotel isolation. Then he would decide whether Hong Kong can adopt other quarantine models such as 5+2 and 3+4, denoting the number of days spent in hotel and home isolation. Joanna Ho, HKIBC.